Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can duplicate an event or meeting in your Doodle account. For example, to use it for other projects or events. So let us dive into this. So navigate to Doodle dashboard. And then, guys, what you want to do is click into see all doodles here. And you will see that duplicate button just below the given event title, right? So let me duplicate that group poll. As you can see, I can't do this with my account status, but if you have access to these features, guys, click into duplicate here, and this is going to make a copy of the given event with the exact details, right? So that you can, for example, add changes to it and so on and so forth, and keep both versions of the event or meeting. And that's basically it, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, and until next time.